We are going to talk about some truths you need to know about starting a YouTube channel in Ghana, or if you are someone who wants to be creating content for Facebook, YouTube, like video content and all that. This particular video will help you, because you can watch a 5-minute video and think that the creator used only 5 minutes to put that video together. Or maybe you see a 10-minute video and think, oh, maybe the person just used 15 minutes to put that video together. So it's easy. In this video, I'm going to show you most of the things that are hidden in there, so that if you want to start your own channel, you know exactly what is inside, so that you can decide on whether to start or not. So let's get started. Now, the main reason why I'm making this video is that today I came up with a video idea and I did the recording. So I record the video like about 1 hour. Now, I went to town and came back, like it was time for me to edit the video. Then I realized that when I was recording the video, I did not switch on the microphone. So you see this microphone, it has a switch here. So you can either turn it on or off, meaning it was off before I did the recording. So that means the whole hour that I used to record that video was just in vain. And this is not like the first time that it happens or second time or something like that. It has been happening oftenly. So if you are someone who is watching YouTubers and all that, you have to know that this has been happening to them all the time. And for you to record a video, it's not like 20 minutes time or 30 minutes time. Sometimes it can take you like an hour or even 2 hours to put a 5-minute videos together. Now, after that, you have to go and edit the video. And that one too can take you like another 2 hours or 1 hour, depending on how long you want the video to be. So basically, if you're someone who wants to start creating YouTube content and all that, don't just watch how videos are out there, like maybe, oh, this person put out a 5-minute video and I can do it. Don't look at it at that angle. There are stuffs that, for instance, this thing like this, nobody is going to share it with you, because most people don't like videos like this to learn and all that. That's why the creator too will not be sharing this with you. But if you are watching this video, I've sacrificed myself to do this video for you, so that you know that these are some of the things that are hidden at the background. So if you're someone who wants to start a YouTube channel, these are some of the truths you have to know. Then apart from this one, even if you want to come out with a video idea, it's not easy, especially if you're working alone. If you're working with a team, someone can come up with a video idea for you, and another person will be there to edit. So your own is to go ahead with their plan and do the recording. But if you are doing it alone, as a beginner, you are going to suffer a lot, because sometimes to come up with a video idea, it's not easy. So guys, basically, these are some of the things you have to know if you are someone who is interested in creating content, either for TikTok or Facebook, anything video contents that you'll be giving out to people regularly. These are some of the things you have to know. I believe this short video you have watched will help you to make a better decision and know some of the things that are hidden in creating content as a YouTuber, or as someone who wants to be creating video contents and monetize them. I believe this video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.